Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, bringing you my beautiful table. This table represents St. Patty's Day, St. Patrick's Day. Um, and kudos to me, it's my first time doing a holiday or a celebrated day so early. So, yay, I hope my table design goes out early every time so people can get ideas. But anyway, how are you doing? Hope I hope that you're supporting me by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And for all you wonderful peeps that have helped me reach my 500 mark, I want to thank you. I want to thank you. I appreciate you. And I'm hoping to get to 1,000. I don't know, within 2 months. I don't know if that's too much to ask, but uh, share me to a friend. Tell them something about my tablescape. Share me to someone that likes or relates to whatever I have on this table. And then share me to someone who need encouragement to start something new, right? Because when you're a person who um, sometimes gets scared or frantic or afraid of doing certain thing. I know me for one, when I started, I was like, I don't know. No one liked to hear their voice recorded because it sounds like an alien, right? It sounds like somebody that is not you because you're not used to hearing your um you're not used to hearing your voice recorded. So try it on your phone until you get used to it and do what you like to do. But tonight, this table is just gorgeous. This black and white throw. Um, Actually, it's a scarf. It's my scarf that I was dying to get one Christmas, and I found it, right? And it's from Loft, um, decades ago. But this black and white, as I was saying, it's in reminiscent to my design not last week, the week before, my HGTV inspired design. They had a black and white check floor that was so super gorgeous. And I didn't find anything but two candle holders in reminiscent to that. So I went into my clothes closet, and sometimes you can find things in your jewelry drawer or clothes closet. And I pulled out this and I said, I am going to do it in reminiscent to that because they really did it in a big way on the inspiration, and I did it in a small way. So here it is with the green tonight. Um, and I love it. I love it because it's different. I wanted to put a white tablecloth underneath it because I love to layer the different materials. It gives it a formal look that you don't really see, or kind of a flea market look, or some kind of look where you just throw things, material on the table and don't care. They just come out perfect, right? Boha. But anyways, I love how this turned out. I form a candy um, design runner in the center with two pins. This one is a frog, and of course, it has green on it. And I think it's gorgeous. And I just loop them in, do loop by loop, and spread out the top. And I did the same thing here and spread it out. So it comes out kind of like a frill, or it looks like a candy that was wrapped. You know how they wrap they tighten the two corners to secure the candy. And I think it came out great. When I put it on the table, it's like a voice says, "You're gonna squish that up, right?" Squish, 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 squish. And I did. That's my squishy. Anyways, I went to Home Goods this past week and I saw these two vases. I think they had three, and it seemed to me like they were brand new. And I grabbed it, right? And I grabbed it because in the winter issue of Magnolia, Joanna Gaines did some candle holders, and within that design, it had bows on each candles, and I thought that was really cute and thoughtful. And you don't see that pretty, it's kind of like feminine design. You don't see it often, and when you see it, it's in pink. So when I saw this, I said, "Oh my God, this is really pretty," and I want to get both of them, and I did. And they weren't expensive, um, good price. Um, and here's the other one. And I put some green stuff, some white stuff, and I kind of make it my own. And then the center picture is reminiscent from that HGTV Tablescape. And I just, um, redesign it. And I still wanted that chain on there. I had thrown lots of chain around this picture, and I still wanted that. I think one day I'm gonna glue it on so that it kind of look different, but it's a plain white picture. And I think the all the little leaves and hydrangea came out really nice. And let me tell you about this setting. This setting, how do you like this gorgeous green? Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love it. So I want to open up this table for you to see it. All right, so that's the placemat. That's the gorgeous. That's a gorgeous placemat. I mean charger. Uh, New plate. This plate is from Home Goods this week, which is beautiful. I love the color green. And last year I did green from 1/1 all the way through December 31. Every tablescape that I had green in it. And I was celebrating success and prosperity. And I wanted an emerald green plate set, and I didn't get one until now. Just got these at Home Goods. I love the color. Love the color, and I love the edge. and I chose this silver edge plate, which is really nice, and the silver napkin ring with white napkin. Really simple, and I add lots of glass this week as well. And then down here, I chose to do gold salad plate and a green napkin holder. Really nice. And then I had that black candle that brings in that black bow, and it looks really amazing. I just love how it pulls it up a little bit. Really, really nice. And this is the full length of the table. Like really, really nice. I thought it came out so nice. And at the two head seat, I placed a stripe, black and white stripe placemat just to extend the black and white all the way out to the end. And I love the way it came out. I really do. Also, for the glasses, did silver here and gold here that matches, just to give it a different look this week. All right. How gorgeous is that? I am so very pleased this week. Um, I came home and I was very tired, and what I did was I put my heart and soul into it. I said, let me do it anyway. And I did. I lied down and I felt a voice said, go post your tablescape. And God is so good where He watches over His people, and He sends people from near and far to make sure you are safe, to make sure you have what you need. And I just love that about my God. I just want to thank Him. I just want to praise Him. Even though I was tired, even though my feet hurt, I still pull up and I still did my due diligence in order to get this tablescape out to you tonight. So let me heal up the Tablescape Tuesday crew. How are you doing? I hope all is well, and I hope you guys are pleased on this table. And just know that your tablecloth could be a scarf. It's material, and I tried this week and it worked out. Peace. Remember to plant a seed today and watch it grow, and you will never regret it. Thank you so very much, and have a blessed day.